Opening up gifts, y'all.
3 hours later.
What is that?
Yeah, Papa.
Oh,
Yeah, cool.
that is just so cute, the way he want Papa to be involved in everything. So you know what that is? Mommy gonna get you some waterproof markers and crayons, and it's a box for all your crayons. Let me show you. Look, and look, let me show you. Come here. Let me show you. Give me. Watch. Look. Watch. And you open this up. God, you can put all your crayons and whatever you want. Those are little coloring paper. You don't have to use them for that, but okay. What else you got? He got a guitar. Look, y'all, he got a little, he's got a little remote control. Oh, wait.
Yeah, another one, huh?
Look, is that cute or what?
I
Okay, wait, open that one. No, he's in my turn. He's in my turn. Okay, open that one. What's that? What's that one you got?
Can't wait to play.
I'm serious. He got so much. Look at this, y'all. What's that? Okay.
Which one is that?
Open it. He's like, what is that? He knows the hot dog song. That was this, Quortez. You want me to help you? No?
I got one.
He's okay. You got it?
That one's taped pretty
Yeah.
You want me to start it for you? Hold on. Here we go. There. Look what it is. Papa got him the real nice one, but oh, Papa had got him a real nice one that we don't let him play with until he get older to use. So I had so I had to get him one so he can play with too. Because he's learning how to play a piano. We're doing keys and tones on
Wow.
so oh, look at that, Quortez.
Where'd you put his other one? Where's his other one?
Oh, it's behind you.
Oh,
Right here.
oh.
Look! So let me show y'all the other one.
Yeah.
See, this is the one he got him, but I don't want him to play this as a toy, so I had to buy him one. So I had got him a toy. No, you're not going. This one's not a toy. So that's his little toy one.